Welcome to TechSphere, your go-to source for the latest in tech innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about vehicles of the decade, the Tesla Cybertruck. Is it the groundbreaking innovation that will change the auto industry forever? Or is it just another buzzworthy product designed to grab headlines? In this video, we'll explore the Cybertruck's features, its potential impact, and whether it lives up to the hype. Let's find out. Let's start with the most obvious aspect of the Tesla Cybertruck, its design. From the moment it was unveiled in 2019, the Cybertruck's angular, futuristic look turned heads. It looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie, with its stainless steel exoskeleton and geometric lines. This isn't just a design choice for aesthetics, though. The exoskeleton is made from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, which Tesla claims is nearly indestructible. This material is supposed to offer superior protection for passengers while also resisting dents, corrosion, and damage. During the launch event, Elon Musk famously tried to demonstrate the truck's durability by having a metal ball thrown at its armored glass windows. And while the windows cracked, the point was made. This is not your average pickup truck. The Cybertruck's design is meant to be as functional as it is bold. Its shape is not just for show. It contributes to the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency and its overall toughness. But not everyone is sold on the look. Critics argue that its blocky appearance is impractical for everyday use and that it could face challenges meeting road safety standards in some regions. So, is the design an innovation or just a gimmick? That depends on whether the vehicle's performance and features live up to its futuristic aesthetic. Beyond the design, the Tesla Cybertruck promises some serious performance stats that rival even the most established pickup trucks on the market. The Cybertruck will be offered in 3 models: single-motor rear-wheel drive, dual-motor all-wheel drive, and the top-tier tri-motor all-wheel drive. Let's break down what these models offer. The tri-motor version will have the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest trucks in the world. The range is expected to be around 500 miles on a single charge, which is significantly more than most electric vehicles on the market today. In terms of towing capacity, the Cybertruck is no slouch either. It's rated to tow up to 14,000 pounds, depending on the model, which puts it in direct competition with traditional gas-powered trucks. And then there's the adaptive air suspension feature, which allows the truck to raise or lower itself depending on the terrain, giving it an advantage for off-road driving. The Cybertruck also comes equipped with Tesla's autopilot technology, offering semi-autonomous driving features right out of the box. And of course, there's the full self-driving option for those looking to take a step toward the future of autonomous vehicles. But how do these features compare to traditional pickup trucks? On paper, the Cybertruck's performance is impressive, and its electric powertrain means lower operating costs in the long run. However, the real test will come when the truck hits the market and competes head-to-head with established pickup brands like Ford and Chevrolet. Now, let's talk about the potential impact of the Cybertruck on the broader automotive market. Tesla is known for disrupting industries, and the Cybertruck could do the same for the pickup truck segment, which has traditionally been dominated by gas-powered vehicles. If the Cybertruck can deliver on its performance promises and offer a more cost-effective, eco-friendly alternative, it could be a game-changer. But there are some hurdles to overcome. For one, the pickup truck market is highly competitive and loyal to traditional brands. Companies like Ford and Chevrolet have long dominated this space, and their customers may be hesitant to switch to an electric vehicle, especially one that looks so different from what they're used to. Tesla's strategy seems to be targeting a different kind of truck buyer, one who values innovation, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology over tradition. This could attract a new demographic to the pickup truck segment. particularly among younger, environmentally conscious buyers. However, Tesla will also face competition from other electric trucks like the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning, which are expected to hit the market around the same time. These competitors have more traditional designs, which could appeal to consumers who are looking for electric trucks but aren't sold on the Cybertruck's unconventional look. The Cybertruck hasn't been without its share of challenges and controversies. One of the biggest issues Tesla faces is the truck's production timeline. Originally slated for release in 2021, the Cybertruck has faced several delays, with production now expected to start in 2024. These delays have raised concerns about whether Tesla can meet its production goals and deliver the truck on time. Another controversy is the truck's safety features. While Tesla touts the strength of the Cybertruck's exoskeleton, there are concerns about how this rigid design might fare in crash tests, especially when it comes to pedestrian safety. The sharp angles and hard materials might pose risks that traditional trucks don't, and Tesla will need to address these concerns to meet safety regulations in different markets. There's also the question of price. While the Cybertruck starts at around $39,900, the higher-end models with full self-driving capabilities can push the price upwards of $70,000 or more. For many consumers, this price point puts the Cybertruck in direct competition with luxury vehicles, which may limit its appeal to traditional truck buyers who are used to more affordable options. So, the big question, is the Tesla Cybertruck a true innovation or just buzz? On one hand, the Cybertruck represents a bold new direction for both Tesla and the automotive industry. Its combination of futuristic design, impressive performance, and cutting-edge technology makes it one of the most talked-about vehicles in recent memory. On the other hand, much of the buzz around the Cybertruck has been fueled by its eye-catching design and Elon Musk's ability to generate hype. Critics argue that the truck's radical appearance could alienate traditional truck buyers, and the delays in production have raised questions about whether Tesla can deliver on its promises. In terms of innovation, the Cybertruck pushes the boundaries of what we expect from a vehicle, especially in the pickup segment. But whether it will succeed in the long run depends on a variety of factors, including consumer acceptance, production efficiency, and competition from other electric trucks. Ultimately, the Tesla Cybertruck has the potential to be a game changer, but it also faces significant challenges that could limit its impact. Only time will tell if the Cybertruck becomes an icon of innovation or just another flashy product that couldn't live up to the hype. The Tesla Cybertruck is undoubtedly one of the most polarizing vehicles in recent memory, but whether it's an innovation or just buzz is still up for debate. With its bold design, impressive features, and Tesla's track record of disruption, the Cybertruck could be a game changer in the auto industry. What do you think? Is the Cybertruck a true innovation or just buzz? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech.